your ear go stand. You sef go laugh out loud. Because why? Nothing better pass na your health.
Yes, we'll be your divas. And if you see us on top your TV screen, you're not supposed to shiver. We dey always deliver, no matter the weather. So anywhere you dey, as long as na Wazobia, you no get wahala. This na your health. Your very own show where they give you better informate, the GIG. And on top today episode, we dey talk about something wey go make your ear and your body to gum your chair. Sexuality, aka adult play, but from a different angle. First of all, now your Niger half-cast with this Luchi Enobong. My introduction no fit to set. If I not even let una know, say no be only me waka come for inside today episode. My doctor, she got to do her own introduction.
Now, as you talk that sexuality, some people, their ear don't they stand. The next thing you talk, but from a different angle. The ear can come down. Anyway, now me be your one and only Dr. Adora, and this now your health. You know as we dey do am for here now. Today, like she talk, now from another angle, and this angle concern contraception, the different contraceptive methods, the natural ones, both for man and for woman. We go dissect them, break them for you. But now from the women angle, we dey come today. On top that one, we will come touch your swag, make you not for carry last. You know now your health. We dey make sure say everything will concern you. They very casual and on point. But before we begin enter inside all those plenty koro, begin they dissect, they open, they surrender on top your mouth, your ear go first stand. So make you no go anywhere when they come back.
We dey come back with more informate on top na your health. So come out your shoe or leave am.
Colotins we don't enter belle, bed springs. X-ray from Central Prison for North Carolina show things like bed spring wey prisoners dey swallow to make sure say dem carry dem comot from prison go outside hospital. Human fetus, Sanyubagat wey come from India and don receive all kind plenty yab from people sake of say im get very big belle. One night dem rush am go hospital because im no dey breathe well and im get ogbonge pain for belle. When the doctors wan comot the thing wey dem think say na tumor, dem open mouth gbagada cause dem see partially formed pikin wey be fetus for inside the man belle. Key: 18 years old computer design student swallow 2-inch key because he no wan make im friends carry am go house as dem say im don too drink. Doctors say make dem carry am go house and make nature do im work. The guy come shoot the key after 31 hours. Cobblestone. For 2006, a girl from China swallow more than 20 cobblestones sake of say she dey vex for her bobo. At first, she think say she go shit am comot fast, but the stones dem sidon balance for her belle for some days. Magnet. When 8-year-old Hailey Lenz from Hunting Bed, Indiana, see shine object wey be magnet for inside her house, she think say na sweet. After some time, she feel her belle with this shine object. Her people can't need rush her go hospital so the magnet no go dey gum for inside her belle. Light bulb. When doctors for Pakistan comot light bulb from prisoner belle, the prisoner sef no get explanation for how the bulb take enter in belle. Surgical tweezer. 57-year-old Dariush Mazarei feel severe pain after serious operation. Even as im dey feel this ogbonge pain, im doctors dey tell am say nothing dey wrong with am physically. When im doctor finally do scan for am, e find big object for inside im belle. As dem open Mazarei belle, dem find retractor wey doctors by mistake forget for im belle when dem do the first operation. 18-year-old woman for inside America go hospital because of stomach pain and also because she don dey lose about 40 pounds. For inside her belle, doctors see plenty hair wey full brekete. The lady come say she get bad habit to dey chopulate her own hair. They come need to do operation to comot all the hair wey dey inside her belle. Fork. 40-year-old Lee Gardner by mistake swallow fork and im doctors tell am say make im no worry say im go shit am naturally. But this fork no gree comot. After 10 years, e come dey feel stomach pain o. Im come need do operation to comot the fork Luckily for am, he recover fully back to im normal state.
Now your health don return.
Yes, today I am on a very higher P. Anybody when they wish me bad thing, they wish you say bad thing. Help me say ami oh. Yes, welcome back. This is still your show. Now your health, now it's simple on top of your TV. So, and before we be back break, we'll be give you small tiao of what we get today. That na sexuality, aka adult play. Yes, and we they start with from the angle they enter. Now, birth control with the local. Yes, birth control for men and birth control for women. Now, this birth control we they talk about now different methods where people they use. It concern man, it concern woman, and we they use them to try monitor the number of people who want born or to even stop when we no one born pikin again. For whatever reason, now just to avoid pregnancy, that be the cocoa of this matter. And we get plenty birth control for women, but men own it not too plenty like that. So we'll go first of all highlight some of the birth control way for men. But for another episode, we'll go enter them deep. You see, so packet the thing. And the very first one what I get, where they on top today table, on top of birth control for men. Now wait till they call her for inside this our country, would they say zip up?
Don't do it.
Zip up, don't do it.
Don't do it.
They call them abstinence. Yes, abstinence that be the first one. And the second one, don't call the second one. Plenty people not to like. Personally, oh, I know they took bad one. Condoms. Condoms. Why you do?
No,
Why you do?
I declare my
Suddenly your
throat.
throat. Now condom inside your throat.
Something that I don't.
Oh, condom just enter the throat.
Which condom?
You just like.
Hey, Jesus.
Suddenly the condom now it don't only
I
here.
just declare my throat.
It's
The person
okay.
will clear throat again from top.
Condom enter my throat too.
It is where. I beg. The next one where we go, the next thing. Or people they call them outer course. If you want to know waiting outer course be, make you follow the next episode where we want to talk on top of this matter. After the outer course, the next one where they call Yanos again. Then say now, it's I'm just clearing my throat. It's a withdrawal method. This withdrawal method, that one now when man don't they play the play, they go. As they play the play, they go, they can't stop. As he won't score the goal like that, he go just bring them out of the something.
What then it's something
of the woman down below.
Oh, you don't get
Yes.
him. Okay, then get him now, not be something.
Something like that.
Okay.
Then the next one, now the kind operation where they do, or they call them vasectomy. This one now when they will come carry the man inside, tie some kind things, make all those in soldiers where they use the score, they fire, they fight weapon, they fight war. They can't tie and make them not they come out again. But men know they like this type. They know they like them at all. They like to send the women say, no, you go tie your tube. Why not me go do them? But if you want to know more about it, like I said, make you follow us for the next episode. Anyway, we want to yarn this matter today from the woman angle, the natural methods where women do. So I beg, plus women know, plus the men that love them, make you for open your ear where as we start the sunshine.
And now for inside the natural method for women, they get different kinds of natural method, but we'll go start with the one they call fertility awareness method. This fertility awareness method, aka FAM, yes, they say you got to use physical things. You got to use a physical barrier. That's not things we go block those small soldiers where they like to be excited, they like to be ginger on top of your head. And they say plenty religious body them, religious groups, and they know they support this one at all. And they know they support make they use something like condom, diaphragm, or say you fit use, and this method, they say you fit to use them when you want to do sharp contraceptive. You want to use sharp contraceptive, or say when you want even come up belly self. Yes. Abortion, they say if you to use them on top of abortion things, and that now one of the reasons why religious joint body group, they know they support them. They say no. Anything go blockade the thing. They say, see, adult play, it is made from heaven. They say na papa go there do am, and when he do am, he no talk say make you put anything to blockade the thing. So why you go block him? The other method they call them natural family planning. That na NFP. NFP. This kind method, this kind natural method. You know they use any of those barriers. It is enjoyable. It is a flea. You don't need any of those barriers at all. And now this one, now you really just embody them. They say, toile. Carry go, man. Now this one you're supposed to use, man. Forget all that they tell you, man. You know what I'm saying, man. NPF, NFP, natural family planning.
Okay.
That's another natural.
So whether na FAMO or NFPO, whether na the fertility awareness method or na natural family planning method, the two of them, the main thing where they make person do am well, na say e get sense on top the matter, especially our women. What they try to say, a woman supposed to understand her body. She supposed to understand the kind menstrual cycle where she gets. Whether she gets regular menstrual cycle of like 28 to 30 days or more, or she they, they irregular, they come, they go. Whichever one, it get very, very important. Makes you understand her body and how they function. Another thing where the woman supposed to know at that point now, her waking temperature, when she wake up for morning, she supposed to understand the kind temperature where she gets. If she dey fertile, and when I say fertile, what I dey talk about, we say that period, if oga just come near am, do wetin supposed to do like this, e don enter. So for her to understand this one, like I talk, she supposed know her cycle. Then she must get at least, she must dey menstruate normal 3 to 7 days. Some people they get 3, some people they get 7 days. It depends on your own system. You must know that one. Then like I talk, you must know your temperature when you wake up for morning. How this temperature go take help you? When your temperature they high, you get sometimes where I go touch Luchi like this. Her body go dey hot.
So now you be my oga.
That's
go they know my body heats. And when it's time for us.
Wait till I dey try explain, be say.
And undo the do.
If you know, say you they measure this your temperature like 3 days or 4 days like that, and the thing just they constantly high. No say that period, all your eggs, they don't wear better clothes, then they ready to dance. So therefore, if oga come near you like this, that period, you don't enter. That now, another way. Then another thing be say, that down below, some kind juice, they come out from under. Some kind juice, they come out from under. And what they happen be say, when your body don't begin, they fertile, they ready, to release something. You go come out, they draw. Then as they progress, when you don't reach the height, say, hey, now, if a guy come near you, it don't happen. That time, the thing, it go be like mucus, you can't they draw, like kata, like okra, can't they stretch. When they see all those things, they come out, say you don't. So it's very important, make you understand all these things about your body. When you sabi all these things about your body, now that time, you go, no, okay, this period, when all these ones, they happen to me, if Oga come near me, but later, when that's under below, they come out things like that, when your body they too hot like that, and they see your period, that window, you feel they meet Oga and nothing will happen.
All right, so you see, now you make we get doctor for inside house, inside our bunk, inside our yacht. Without this, our doctor. I am not a doctor. It's not possible for me to know the things where she know. I just be in handbag. I should always like to come, even though I don't understand how to be in handbag. From that one, we want to tell you about some of the benefits of this particular natural methods where we just give you so. And one of the methods, the good thing we say, this thing now, it no get any health gbege. It no get any health gbege at all for your body. And because na natural thing, it dey work if you do it well. It dey work well.
Another one be saying, you don't get any, as you do them like that, they're expensive. They buy any medicine. They go see doctor. As in, you just they arrange the thing by yourself because the natural thing, they disturb yourself. But the only problem, one of the disadvantage be say, it get easy to collect disease, sexually transmitted infection, in case your partner go play away match, collect something from outside, come inside, the thing will just quickly enter. They tell us, say time don't reach. Make we waka come up for a year to go on a break to where we want to go. Anyway, when we come back, we go send you some other natural methods and the things where you're supposed to do.
And the way to get other natural methods.
We shall be back. Don't go anywhere.
No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return.
welcome back, welcome. This is still not your health with Sempe on top your TV. So, and if you don't watch us, you go no say today episode is very interesting. On top sexuality, aka adult play, but the angle where would they enter now birth control. Yes, birth control for both man and woman. But today we turn down on top the side of woman and the natural methods that would they focus on all through the episode for today. We'd like to tell you about the first one when fertility awareness method and natural family planning. Now one tell you of another one where they call lactational method. If you like say get one middle name where Adora will help me because that name is to get us a be lactational
amenorrhea method.
Bam.
Amenorrhea
Method.
also known as you know they see your period. That's now waiting amenorrhea be as in no blood at all. Yes.
And you see, when they say lactation, that means say your bobby they bring out fresh juice, white juice, aka breast milk, bobby milk. And now I mean say you don't born pikin. You don't born pikin. Now that fresh juice, now good thing for your pikin. For your pikin to the drink am because you get all the ingredients where you need, where the pikin need. Anyway, because Bobby they hey I say Bobby because milk I think so Bobby because milk they come out natural juice they come out from Bobby. Now it be one of the it be like immunity we go make you no get belly during that time. But it get condition though. You must to make sure say you dey breastfeed your pikin at least every 4 hours during the day, and for night at least every 6 hours. Because as you dey breastfeed them, it dey make sure say nothing go enter. Hopefully, but I don't see 1 or 2 people we don't get belly even when they breastfeed their pikin. So you got to be careful on top that one.
Oh yes, so all this thing where we dey talk. So this particular lactational thingy, I don't see woman.
Thingy.
No verse. Lactational amenorrhea. Something
method.
All of them all of them join. I don't see woman where they do this thing. She they do them in fact she they breastfeed her pikin almost every 3 hours. By 8 months she don't carry another pikin. So if you work for one person, enough will work for you. It depends on you and Baba God. Anyway, the next one we want to enter now and that's temperature thing where they talk about. The main thing we say, if you don't say your temperature don't high 3 days consecutively, that one will tell you say 3 to 4 days depending on who you be. That one will tell you say after this time, it dey okay to meet with Oga and no go carry belly. Then the one where they call reading. For this reading one, it just depends on the cycle. As the cycle they go, as your menstrual cycle they move, depending on whether not 28 days or whatever, you go know like 14 days after the first time when you see your menses, say this period I go they ovulate. But this one they very irregular. You know they to work like that.
And another natural method though, this one they concern man sha. We focus on women today, but we'll bring 1 or 2 things about for man. This one they call a withdrawal method. This withdrawal method, so they talk and so plenty people who I know they talk say it no work for them. Because I explain that to you, this withdrawal method, normally, the small soldiers, the way they like to they show themselves for inside the man in juice. You suppose when the man don't, now man responsibility be this one. When you know say you don't ready to drop him, you don't reach that peak for on top that man say. You don't reach that peak, and you know say you don't ready to drop the whole excited picky when you get. Those one when they ready to shop knuckle, they do like this. So once you don't ready to drop him, you're supposed to come out though. You're supposed to come out from that aeroplane where you just come out from that dream where you come out and bring an art. They call it withdrawal method. Now, but waiting some people they forget me say, you know, say before you reach that peak of the mountain, you get as you go down, they climb the mountain, they reach. As they climb the mountain, they reach, they pour some of your pikin. Those juice where you say they're transparent, where you know white, like those ones when you don't reach mountain. Sometimes those small soldiers, small picking them of you, your man, they inside those juice. They call them pre-ejaculated sperm. Yes, pre-ejaculated sperm. They call them.
Okay, so the long and short, we say, you got to be experts
in that field. Yes.
You must have practice and practice with your wife. You must have practiced it very well before you begin, because at the end of the day, you go feel say, nothing. I not release anything inside though. And the thing just, you know, so it's very important that you know what you are doing and how to do it. And the one where I like pass is the abstinence. Zip up. Don't do it. Yes. Don't do it. Unless you are legally married like me.
Hey, if you like it, you want to put the ring on it.
Yeah,
Put the ring
unless
on it.
like us.
Put the ring
Don't
on
do
it.
it.
Don't do it. You know, it's one of our when we send this to on top of our social media, one of our Twitter, our followers talk, say, happy birthday. He say, happy birthday. What is what they thought? But
Everybody well entitled to say what's a head. Yes.
Opinion.
Yes, so me, that's how I feel about it. Unless you know.
Yeah, so and the thing gets your own advantage. It gets your own advantage. This abstinence what they talk of, this people they talk of, so yes, you did 100% sure. Say bagam, say I no go get any health gbege, infection I no go get them, STD that not sexually transmitted I no go get them, HIV you know. There is no way anybody go talk to a congi and belle.
Unless the person be Mary, Mother of Jesus.
Very much.
Yes, unless the person be Mary,
Anyway,
Mother of Jesus.
unless that kind of situation happen, but if you let us to know, because our different social media day for you to able to check your mouth, we do on top Facebook, we do on top Twitter, we get our own personal email, and if you miss any of these episodes, we do on top YouTube. Just waka enter, type Wazobia TV NG, type na your head for even inside there, and you go find us for there. We need to buy small break because I know say this gist you don't too like and we say we like them, but we could drink small water now, we they come back.
We dey come back with more informate on top na your health. So, comot your shoe or leave am. Na your health don return.
I'm not talking again. You are victimizing me on this show. My
Not
producer,
at all. No,
everybody's victimizing
Director,
me.
how can director do that?
I verse.
No. See,
I'm
action.
hungry.
I know you're an action lady. So for this episode, you know they talk plenty. Now action.
Of course, when I reach house, I practice it with my husband. Yes.
Okay.
Is it a bad thing?
Not at all.
Eh.
Not at all. Not at all. Okay, all right. So I don't hear him now. We'll not talk about sexuality, aka adult play. But the part where the waka go will be waka go birth control, and we'll talk about the natural birth control method. Other methods, see deal. We no fit to carry everything on top of this episode now. For other episode, we go yarn you for the men own. We go that you see that outer course where you hear of. Outer course. Now one of the natural methods for man. But that one of another episode now we'll go yarn you that one. And I got to leave and make Dr. Dora show you more action.
Now you know.
Action.
The only thing be say all these things where we don't sponge give on now. It good. Make plus the man plus the woman. They do the birth control where they don't agree say they want to do. For example, the woman fit a monitor with all those things where we don't sponge give you on top the matter, her temperature, the thing where they come off from under. And then the man too at the same time, if you see they use condom or if they do withdrawal, like we talked on before. But it good if you combine the two like that. Woman do her own, man do her own. If you know someone never ready to carry the belly, I sure say you go get at least, some degree of, effectiveness for the matter. Like we they talked before, some of these things, they get 90 to 95% effectiveness depending on how. But for some people, they go do everything, it will still fail. You get some things where we not fit explain. But as we they do for this show now, time don't go, we suppose go. We pledge peace. Yeah. So, go see you next time on this station, the Wazobia TV, when Na Your Health, they release all the information where you need.
Now, if you love me, you go.